Guys, can we have an attention please? This is our new employee. He will introduce himself.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Vishal. I have done my BSc IT from KJ Somia College. And in the future, if you have any difficulty, any queries, you can come to me and we can solve it together. Okay? Thank you guys.
So kindly cooperate with him.
Good morning, Mr. Weber.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Vidhi calling from ICICI Bank.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. What the?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Mr. Weber.
Yeah, say.
This is Vidhi calling from ICICI Bank.
Yeah.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Can
Huh?
I take a few minutes of yours?
Yeah. Hello. Hello. What's wrong with this?
Oh shit, I cannot do this. I cannot lose this customer. What's going wrong? I don't want to go to that technician guy.
Hey, hi friends. How was your day today?
Good. Didi?
What's wrong?
My day was not good.
Why?
I don't know, there was some problem with my laptop and I could not connect with the customer. Mr. Weber is such an important customer. I mean, I called him twice and both the times my call got disconnected. Then it's a very serious problem for me.
The new colleague is there, in the morning he had come, Vishal. You can just take the advice from that person.
Mr. Vishal, look at the way he carries himself. Instead, I don't want my laptop to be in a mess. I don't think he is capable of doing all this.
Vidhi, don't do like that. Yeah? He is your valuable customer. You don't lose it. You don't go by his gesture and posture. At least once you ask him for the help, he will. Maybe
Okay,
I'll just talk to that person first.
Okay, fine. You all are saying then I will give a try. Let's
least
see.
once.
Yes, I will give a try.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Vidhi.
Mr. Vishal, I had a problem. I had a call today with my customer,
Okay.
Mr. Weber. He's a very important customer for us.
Okay.
And twice my call got disconnected. Now I don't know what is the problem.
Okay.
There was certain kind of a barrier. I don't know what it is. So I want you to just check it with my laptop,
Okay.
and just solve it because I don't want to lose our customer at any cost.
Okay, no problem. We will solve our problem.
Fine.
Okay. Let's
Thank
go.
you. Yeah.
Hey, Vidhi. Just plug in it here and just check. It will work now.
Okay, I'll just see it. Hello,
Hello.
Mr. Weber.
Yeah, who's this?
Good morning, this is Vidhi here.
Yeah. You had called it 2 times
Yeah,
back.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. There was
Yeah.
some technical problem.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm calling from ICICI Bank.
Mm-hmm.
This call is regarding, we have got a new facility for our existing customers.
Okay.
We are providing home loan for our customers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and wherein you will be getting easy interest rates
Okay.
and easy repayment.
Mm-hmm.
If you would like to know about it, I'd come to know regarding that you are in look for a home loan.
Yeah, I was looking for a home loan.
Yes. So would you like to visit our branch,
Yeah, surely.
or else I'll personally come and meet you?
Yeah, that
Will
would be better.
okay?
You can send an executive to my office.
Fine, sir. Not an issue. What time?
Maybe after 2 days you can call and just confirm the meeting.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you. It was nice to have a talk with you. Have a great day.
Yeah, welcome.
It was done. Thank God. Like happy.
What the hell is going on? What? I worked for this project for nearly 3 months, day and night, and you didn't complete even a single task which was given to you.
I was busy with some other work, yeah. And I didn't have time for our project.
Don't give excuses. I knew you were not capable for this project.
Hey, mister, mind your language. You don't cross your limits, okay? Do hell with your project.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Have a seat, guys. Tell me, what was the conflict between you?
Sir, actually, I have been working for our project day and night, and he has not completed even a single task which was given to him.
Sir, I was busy with some other work, so I could not concentrate on this project.
So,
And he's very abusive in his language.
you should be concerned about your work.
Yeah, I was, but I was busy with some other work also, sir. I had prior commitments as well.
Okay. So you have an understanding between the project very well?
Yes, sir, we have. But actually, he is not active in his project, so therefore we are finding it very difficult to move on.
So you have to have an understanding between two of us.
Okay, sir.
You have to relax and get work done. It's proper way. You should be working very politely and calmly with each other to understand betterly each other. So you should be finding of such a way that you can cross your barriers from it.
Okay,
You
sir.
should be working in politely and patiently with each other, so you can perform it very well.
Okay, sir. We will try our best now. Hey, I hope now you will begin with our project. So, and I wish that you will do well and we will work together for the betterment of our organization.
Yeah,
so,
we will.
all the best. Good evening, Neha.
Good evening, Vishal. Please have a seat. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so shall we begin with our meeting?
Yes, people are waiting in the auditorium right now.
Okay, so what are the strength of the people?
Around 25 people are there.
Okay, so I'm sure that they are comfortable with English.
Yeah, they
Okay,
are
then let's-
comfortable with English, but
Good evening, guys.
Good evening,
sir.
Please have a seat. We all are here to discuss about the sales revenue. As you all know that our company was established in 1989 and we are the fourth largest cellular company in India. Further, we will discuss about this sales revenue for the last year.
Okay, sir.
As you can see, for the first quarter, our sales revenue was about 2.5 crores. Then next for the second quarter, our sales revenue was increased by 3.5 crores. And the big point is that unfortunately for the third quarter, our sales revenue was about it was dipped to 1.5 crores. I hope you all are understanding, guys. And Neha, I don't think they are getting what I am trying to explain them.
actually, Vishal, they are not comfortable with your English. They all are low executive people, and I think if you don't mind, just come down with your English level as well as your accent. It will work actually.
Okay, I will do the same. Let's go then.
Let's go.
Friends, now we will talk about the monetary and non-monetary incentives, what you will get if you achieve a goal. If you achieve a single task, you will get monetary incentives of 1,000 to up to rupees 3,000. And going to the non-monetary aspects, you will get a free family tour package and also free coupons from our company. So, Sushant, do you think it's a good idea? It will encourage you to achieve success.
Yeah, for sure, sir. It will encourage the people.
So I'm sure that you all people will work hard and we will achieve our target. Will you?
Yes, sir.
जावा जावा घाबरू नका बॉस फार चांगले आहे
अच्छा, बॉस खूप चांगले आहेत. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in. No need to ask from next time, okay?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So your name is Sushant, right?
Yes, sir.
You're the new employee.
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo, let's introduce you to our colleagues. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come this way. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
sir.
Well, this is your new colleague, Mrs. Sushant. Mrs.
Okay.
Sushant, this is Neha.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Vishal.
Hi.
This is Rupali. And this is Preeti.
Hello.
Guys, you have to work and coordinate with Sushant, alright?
Yes, sir.
So Sushant, this is your new workplace. Okay? Guys, please coordinate with him, okay? And explain him the job profile.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
My last job was not well. My colleagues were very rude and not supportive. Though here seems to be very good, but I should have talked to them or not?
Hello, Sushant.
Hi.
Okay, how are you finding this organization?
Good.
Okay, are you comfortable now?
A little bit with the confidence.
Okay, yesterday it was informed me that we are going to work on the same project, and this is the project report, and we both are going to work. And if you have any problem, then just come to us. We all are there to solve your problem.
Okay, yeah.
Fine?
Will do.
Okay then.
Hey, hi Sushant.
Hi.
So have you done with your work?
Little bit.
No worries, you can continue after we will have our lunch. Hey, come, let's go.
Yeah, for sure. Hey Vishal, hey Neha, let's go for the lunch. It's already late. Let's move.
Okay, let's go.